All right, so identification of animals. I'll show you pictures of different animals. You tell me their names. Are we set?
Yes.
So the first picture I have here is this one. What is the name of this animal?
A deer.
Yeah, correct. Okay. How about this animal? What animal is this? Wolf. Correct. Good. Wolf. This one. This one. What animal?
Donkey.
Donkey. Good. Okay, donkey. This one. What animal?
Penguin.
Penguin. Exactly. Penguin. This.
That's a gorilla.
Gorilla. Correct. Okay. This animal. What animal is this?
There's an salamander.
No, this is not a salamander.
Alligator.
No. Okay, this is a Komodo dragon.
Salamander now.
Komodo dragon. What about this one?
There's a kangaroo.
Kangaroo, correct? This one?
Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros, good one. And this one?
Turtle.
Turtle, correct? And what animal is this?
There's an alligator.
Good, alligator. I thought you said crocodile. Crocodile usually green. This one?
Whale.
Good, the blue whale. Blue whale. And what animal is this?
Octopus.
Octopus, correct one. Okay. What animal is this?
Warthog.
What dog? White pig. This guy is Sabibuko. What animal is this?
Porcupine.
Porcupine. Good. Okay. And what animal is this?
Orangutan.
Orangutan. This one?
Giraffe.
Giraffe. Correct. Okay. How about this one?
Monitor lizard.
No.
Komodo dragon.
No. This is an iguana.
Iguana.
Iguana. Okay. What about this one? This one that rolls into a ball. Yeah. What animal? Okay, hedgehog.
Hedgehog.
Hedgehog. Yeah. And what animal is this?
Shark.
Shark. Good. Shark. This one?
Jellyfish.
Jellyfish. Correct. Good. That's the last one. Wow.
Now, snap me, just a post, snap me, that's it. You get that clear this Sunday. Go to school is not scam. Try no. You understand? Try no, school is never a scam. Just go to school. A knowledge gotten is never wasted. You understand? No knowledge is a waste.